Alrighty, so step one on the line, they start with the frame. So this is going to be the bare bones of an excavator, what you see right here. You know, obviously this doesn't resemble anything of a finished product, but let's keep walking down this line and see what steps they do next. Now we've moved a little on further down the line, and if you check this out, you'll see these engines lined up right here. This is going to be the next step. These engines are going to get put onto that frame along with a couple other pieces to kind of start that building process going. Next off, if y'all take a look right here, this is the actual cooling package for one of their excavators. It does come all pre-assembled in this nice big unit, so they can go on ahead and put it on the frame. This is actually one that's in progress, but y'all can see they've got the engine right here. If you come on over here, you can see that they've already put in your hydraulic pumps, some of the valves, they've got a bit of your plumbing set up, but it's not quite hooked up just yet. And they've even got the cab and the hydraulic tanks and the fuel tanks on that bad boy right there. If we walk over here, you'll see this one is pretty much one that they've moved ahead on. You know, we've got the cooling package on, got a lot of our piping on, the engine's on. If we walk over here to this side, they now have your pump mounted up to the engine, which is absolutely amazing. Still got your tanks and your cab. And if we actually go one step further, you'll see this is the next big phase. This is where the vision kind of starts taking place. You know, you guys can see this resembles an excavator. You have a lot of your body panels that are put on, your doors, tin paneling, got your DPF put on there, engine hood, all that sort of stuff, and they have connected up a lot of the plumbing and electrical on this step of the assembly line. Alrighty, now I know y'all see that machine right there. It's missing a critical part of being an excavator. You know, where the heck are the tracks? Well, if we look right over here, you guys will see this is your actual track table. So they have these track tables right here, and at this step in the process, they take your track table and they mount everything that they have assembled, cab, engine, and body-wise, onto that track system. So now the excavator is really starting to take place. You've got those tracks set up, they're working on charging the AC and everything, and this is also the section where they go on ahead and they begin to put the boom on, the counterweight on after they charge, you know, the AC and all that good stuff right here. And another cool thing about Sany is right over here, you guys see this crazy looking machine. What's really nice is, and any heavy equipment tech can relate to this, who likes beating in pins day after day after day, especially for bigger excavators? Well, Sany, they don't make their people do it. They've got that awesome pin press machine for all the boom and arm pins, and that's really gonna save a lot of people's backs right there in the long run. And for those of y'all that have never been around equipment like that, this is a pretty cool sight to see. This is an actual boom arm of an excavator sitting on the ground that's not attached to the machine yet. Pretty neat, right? Come on over here, let's check out this piece. Now that we've made it over here, this is also what the stick looks like on the ground before